CCHT Clinical Practice Test 2025 Part 125 Updated Questions and Answers. Question 1. What is the most important reason for doing a vehicle inspection? Safety. To avoid tickets. To save fuel. Company policy. Safety for yourself and other road users is the primary reason. Question 2. Which of these is a key steering system part? Spring hanger, tie rod, leaf spring, torque rod. The tie rod is a critical component of the steering linkage. Question 3. What is the minimum tread depth for front tires? 2 32 inch, 4 32 inch, 6 32 inch, 1 32 inch. Front tires need at least 4 32 inch, others need 2 32 inch. Question 4. How far ahead should you look while driving? 5 to 8 seconds, 12 to 15 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. Looking 12 to 15 seconds ahead helps you anticipate traffic changes. Question 5. What does convex mirrors do? Make objects look closer, show a wider area than flat mirrors, help with depth perception, are only used for backing. Convex mirrors provide a wider field of view but make objects seem smaller and further away. Question 6. When backing a trailer, you should turn the steering wheel in the same direction you want the trailer to go, in the opposite direction you want the trailer to go, only when stopped, not at all. Turning the wheel the opposite way makes the rear of the trailer move in the desired direction. Question 7. Why should you use a helper when backing? To help with the wheel. Because mirrors have blind spots. To talk to you. It is required by law. Helpers can see areas in your blind spots that you cannot see from the cab. Question 8. What are the 3 factors that add up to total stopping distance? Reaction plus braking plus visual. Perception plus reaction plus braking. Speed plus weight plus road. Brakes plus tires plus load. Total stopping distance equals perception distance plus reaction distance plus braking distance. Question 9. If you double your speed, the braking distance increases by 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Braking distance increases by the square of the speed change. 2 squared equals 4. Question 10. When driving in heavy rain, what is hydroplaning? Braking too hard, tires losing contact with the road and floating on water, engine stalling, wind pushing the truck. Hydroplaning occurs when water buildup prevents tires from gripping the road. Question 11. How many red reflective triangles should you carry? 2, 3, 4, 5. Trucks must carry 3 red reflective triangles for emergencies. Question 12. Retarders help slow the vehicle, but they can cause skids when the road is dry, the road is wet or icy, you are going uphill, the load is heavy. Retarders can cause the drive wheels to lock on slippery surfaces. Question 13. When should you downshift a manual transmission? Before entering a curve. Before starting down a hill. Both A and B. After the curve. Downshifting before curves and hills ensures you are in the right gear for control. Question 14. What is black ice? Dirty snow. A thin layer of ice that looks like wet road. New asphalt. A type of tire. Black ice is transparent and very difficult to see while driving. Question 15. If you have a tire blowout, you should slam on the brakes, stay off the brakes and grip the wheel firmly, turn off the engine, speed up. Braking hard during a blowout can cause loss of control. Stay off brakes until the vehicle slows. Question 16. What should you do if an oncoming driver has high beams on? Look at the right edge of your lane. Turn on your high beams. Stare at the lights. Stop the truck. Looking at the right edge helps prevent being blinded while maintaining lane position. Question 17. Stable cargo is lower to the ground. This is called gross weight, center of gravity, axle limit, bridge formula. A low center of gravity makes a vehicle less likely to tip over. Question 18. The blood alcohol concentration (BAC) limit for CDL holders is 0.08%, 0.04%, 0.01%, 0.1%. CDL drivers are considered legally intoxicated at a BAC of 0.04% or higher. Question 19. If you are being tailgate, you should speed up, increase your following distance, slam on brakes, change lanes immediately. Increasing your following distance gives you more room to slow down gradually, reducing the risk of being hit from behind. Question 20. Which fire extinguisher is used for electrical fires and burning liquids? Type A, Type B and C water only. Type D. B is for liquids, C is for electrical. ABC extinguisher is standard for trucks.